Before there were calendar apps and smartwatches, it was much easier to lose track of time and accidentally confuse dates and days of the week. In Regina versus Benge, an English case from the 19th century, we'll see whether a person was responsible for the tragic events that transpired after he mistakenly believed it was Saturday on Friday. Henry Benge was a railway foreman. On Friday, June 9, 1865, Benge and his crew began replacing rails on a section of track that crossed a bridge near Staplehurst, England. In order to determine when his crew should begin working, Benge consulted the daily train schedule to ensure that the track would be operational for any passing trains. In the schedule book, Benge saw that a train was scheduled to pass over the bridge at 5:20 p.m. Benge and his crew began replacing the track at 2:45 p.m., which gave the crew ample time to replace the track before the train arrived at the bridge. Benge sent a signalman to place a red warning flag down the track. The train company's policy stated that the warning flag should be placed 1,000 yards from the worksite, as this distance would give oncoming trains enough time to brake before reaching the site. But the signalman placed the red flag only about 540 yards before the worksite. At 3:13 p.m., a train approached the bridge where Benge's crew was working. The train conductor didn't see the red flag until he passed it, so the conductor wasn't able to brake in time. The train derailed over the unfinished section of track on the bridge. 10 passengers died and 40 passengers were injured in the derailment. After the crash, Benge acknowledged that he mistakenly looked at the train schedule for Saturday, June 10th. The train on Saturday wasn't scheduled to cross the bridge until 5:20 p.m., but the Friday train was scheduled to pass at 3:19 p.m., right as Benge and his crew were repairing the bridge. The Crown, referred to as Regina, the Latin name for the Queen, charged Benge with manslaughter. Benge argued that the signalman and train conductor were also negligent and that their actions contributed to the derailment.